guys, this is Doc Nino and welcome to another unboxing. Nandito ako ngayon sa Texas, USA and this is the first time na mag-shoot ako abroad. So, yeah, this is very exciting. So, ang i-unbox natin ngayon is the number 1 sa rating ng Android flagships. It's the Samsung Note 10 Plus. If we are not going to include yung Huawei Mate 30 Pro. So, let's get to it. So guys, it comes in a black box and nakasulat Note 10 Plus, and obviously the main feature of the Note series is the mighty S Pen. And then at the back it just says some specifications and Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus on that side. So let's open this thing up. So when we open it, you can see the Samsung logo there, and we immediately see the phone. Yeah, so this was pre-opened actually. Definitely have to check, but as you can see, there's this plastic, and then this is so satisfying to remove. Actually, I don't want to completely remove it because this is actually my brother's phone and I want him to do it afterwards. Yeah. And then this is the pen. This is color blue, by the way. So that's the bluish color. And what's inside, you can see that Samsung, it's a paper, comes with the charger and an AKG earphones, one with cord, and of course the cord, which is USB-C. Let's try to power it up. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Says start the Android, and then of course this is the whole setup process that I won't go through. So that's it guys, I just want to unbox this phone. Actually this is my brother's phone. And what do you think guys? If you're an Android user, do you think you'll get this versus the other brands? So there you go guys, that's just a simple unboxing of the Samsung Note 10 Plus. And I'd like you to comment below what you think about this phone. Again, this is Doc Neo saying be informed, stay inspired. I'll see you in my next unboxing. Bye bye!